So I already implemented the upvote post feature. I just need to adjust on the case. But basically, what it does is that when you anchor, when you leave if any link to a Reddit post like this one, for example. I haven't bought this one, neither in my user nor in my guest user. So, for example, let's say I want to upvote that with both of these users. I just paste the URL here in post URL and select all the users I want to upvote the post with and click on upvote, and automatically it will do to a background cast here, but that's use that's in kernel actually, and that just do all the stuff it needs to do for the post to be uploaded by all the users it needs to be uploaded. It's a queue, so you can upload multiple posts and it will just do in order of that you added them. So like for example, let's refresh. Let's see if it's already uploaded. I need to implement a notification for when the post is already uploaded, because it's a process that takes some time. I did my best to improve the kind performance. The browsing is a little. It takes like 1 minute to each user to upload a post. I will be implementing a notification system that will notify you when the post is when the post is already all the user has uploaded the post. It's just called browser scat, and if you enter in browser scat, you will see all the stuff that it does is open the URL and it click on the button. This part use get the information, because I need that information to be able to search for that post in the and find it in the Reddit page. So this one must be for the upvote of one of the users. Yeah, if first load an unfound page to load all the cookies. After it load the cookies, it is loaded in. This is my user, and then it goes to the search and search for the title of the Reddit post, and then it goes to there, it waits to load, and when finally it loads, it click the upvote button and wait for it to count, because if it doesn't wait, the upvote may no, the request for the upvote may not have been done. Now you see that these two are complete. So now if we anchor, like for example in my user, we already see in the image, in the screenshot, that is supported. It's supported already in mine, and it should be in the other user group. Yeah, it is supported in both users. Browser Cap also record a screen video of the process. This is basically the same stuff that I show you in the image. This is for my case user. Yeah, you see, it click the upvote and later wait for it and close the browser. It takes like it took 39 seconds for the upvote for the case user, and it took 32 seconds for the other user, and it took 1 minute 8 seconds to get the information. I think that's the skip that takes more time, but I only do that once per post. So all the users show that information. As you can see, it works pretty well, but I will be doing some fixing to be able to have this and the comments for today. I think I will be deploying in the evening, maybe 9 p.m. If you have any feedback about the functionality that I just showed you, contact me on Skype or comment here.